guys, I welcome you all to your YouTube channel that is just for IT tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about Capgemini's off-campus recruitment drive. So you must watch this video till end, like and share this video. So let's discuss about the company that is about Capgemini. Capgemini is a French multinational corporation that provides consulting, technology, professional and outsourcing services. In India, Capgemini is over 1,30,000 in employee strength and still growing. We create opportunity for our workforce to work on new age technology along with opportunity to travel internationally and work with the world's leading brands. So if you want to explore about the company more, you can visit its site. Now, let's discuss about the eligibility criteria of this off-campus recruitment. You must have at least 50% in class 10th, 12th, diploma, graduation or in MCA. No active backlogs are allowed. If you have pursued MCA or BE Tech or ME Tech, then you are eligible to apply in this profile. You must possess excellent English written or communication skills. You must be open to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology, domain, role, and should be ready to work in shifts if required. Selection process will be done in virtual mode. Candidates will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for appearing for the selection process, which will be conducted online. Now let's talk about the selection process. So if you apply in this job profile and your application gets shortlisted, then you will be invited for the assessment or the selection process. So the very first step of the selection process is technical assessment pseudocode. If you clear this step, then you will be reached to step 2, that is multiple choice question based English communication test. If you clear step 2, then you will be reached to step 3, that is game based aptitude test. So if you clear the step 3, then you will be reached to step 4, that is behavioral competency profiling. After that, step 5, technical and HR interview. Step 1, step 2 and step 3 are elimination rounds, while step 4 is for understanding the innate profile of the candidate and is not a filtration step. So, if you want to apply in this job profile, the last date to register is 19th April 2021. And assessment will be conducted starting from 22nd April 2021. So, if you want to register in this job profile, I will keep this link in the description of the video. Then you have to click on register now button. When you will click on register now, you will be redirected to this page. You have to click start registering, then person, where you have to fill your name, your primary email address, your mobile number, your date of birth, your password, and then you have to click next. Then you will be redirected to the next form, that is in which you have to select your college. Then you have to click on next on the next page, you have to agree to the supersedes terms and condition. Then when you click on next, then you have to fill details in your profile for making a job application or participates in placement. After that, you have to submit your application. If your application gets shortlisted, then you will be eligible for selection process. This is how you will apply in this job profile. So do subscribe the channel, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.